Another leg day today. Alam naman natin na leg day is a struggle. Ito yung workout na gusto ko. At the same time, pinakapagod ako. Pero legs kasing isa sa weak points ko na dapat kong ma-improve. Dahil soon, nagplan din ako mag-compete ulit for natural bodybuilding show. And leg training also helps boost natural testosterone natin. Hindi glamorous ang progress. Alam naman natin na hindi ito instant at hindi rin masya-shortcut. Kailangan nating dumaan sa proseso, pero maganda doon, makikita natin ang improvement basta consistent lang tayo. Showing up every session, mas mag-increase yung weights little by little, mas lumalakas yung endurance mo and muscles mo, at higit sa lahat, yung mindset and discipline mo to be better every single day and becoming stronger in life. So if nagsisimula ka pa lang at feeling mo alayo pa ng goal mo, just show up. Normal lang yan. Lahat tayo dumaan dyan. Kahit di pa ganun ka-perfect yung workouts at kahit maliit pang progress, bigla na lang makikita ng iba ang pagbabago. So if you are watching this at nasa simula ka pa lang, remember this. The pain you feel today is building the person you will become tomorrow. And one day, when life gets heavy, you won't break. Salamat. Nati out.